I have all the puppies today. There's Maple, there's Joey, there's Ginger, and then Sushi is still inside, upstairs. And I wanted to show you guys this mango tree that my son planted. And look at all these mangoes. Like every single day we get, I don't know, 2 or 3 mangoes. As you can see, look at all the mangoes it has. And we have one on the floor. Oh, but that one's not good. Looks like something got into it already. Looks like something got into it, you see? So that one's gonna have to be thrown away. Maybe one of the puppies got into it.